Hello guys, this is the Arduino Kid back with a video and tutorial on how to do an LED setup with an Arduino Uno. Now I am using Tinkercad for this demonstration, and this is a free website online, and you can just, if you have ideas and you're not sure how to do it, just get onto this website. You can map your ideas out onto this board, and that's it. You can keep going. So let's go. So we need 3 LEDs, 3 resistors, a breadboard, and an Arduino Uno for this demonstration. First of all, we just pop these LEDs onto the breadboard. Just that. Next, we get the ground circuit and pop it to the negative, and respectively we'll use 5 volts as well. Pop it onto the positive end. Next, we just get the cathode and pop it into the negative output, each one. LEDs. Next, we will add these resistors onto the anode part of the breadboard, an LED, and just connect it to the 13th pin mode, this one to the 12th pin mode, and this red LED to the 7th pin mode. So next we shall go to the code, and I'll just pop it in here like so. So initiate delay speed, which means whenever I mention delay speed throughout the void loop, it basically means 1000 milliseconds, which is a second. So let's go through the void setup. So I am going to use pin mode 13, pin mode 12, and pin mode 7 as an output, because the power is going to show a light within the LEDs. And in the void loop, so we allow the access of power to pin mode 13 to make the LED high, which basically means on, and the low on off. So next we delay it by the delay speed, which is 1000 milliseconds. Next we shall go digital write 13 low. So again, stop the access from coming from pin mode 13 to make it the LED turn off. After that, it's basically allowing the access to pin mode 12, making it the LED turn on, with again another delay speed of 1000 milliseconds. After that, we do it again with the pin mode 12 blocking the access of power to the LED, turning it off. Straight after that, the pin mode 7 will allow access to the LED to make it turn on, with a delay of again 1000 milliseconds, and will turn off. So let's see it in action, shall we? Start simulation. So you can see it's initializing and it's starting. So this is the simulator time, and as you can see, it's swapping before each one in 1 second intervals. Sometimes it can get a bit slow. So now that you've done that, you want to stop the simulation, get the code, copy it, copy it all, and paste it to your LED setup like so on the Arduino Genuino coding thing. The link will be in the description below on how to download it. So basically it says the same things as before, exact same. So you got to connect your Arduino into your computer via USB port, and from there you'll set it up. Then you go to Sketch or File, or no, Tools, and then you go to the board. Make sure you're using the right board, or you've selected the right board. Now with the port, once you plug it in, it'll come up with a port saying Arduino Uno, something like that. So now you got it all set up. So let's verify the sketch. As you can see, it does take a little while to verify, but that's okay because it's doing its job. So yeah, and once it's verified, you shall upload it via this button here to upload it to your Arduino Uno board, and it shall, if you've wired the circuit up properly, it shall produce the LED setup, the LED blink setup. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe for more and like down in the comments section, and smash that like button.